Alright, you can go first.
Oh shit, me? Okay, how far are we
Do
going?
you want to go first or do you want me to go first?
Nick minute.
Easy peasy. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's October long weekend here in Sydney, and this weekend we are on another trip. It's still winter here in Sydney and we've got 3 whole days, so this weekend we decided to go all the way down south back to the snowy mountains. So this weekend I am here exploring with Alex! No, it's not, so you're getting used to it now.
Am I really?
Yeah. I'm a little bit rusty, so I'll have to like warm into it. I haven't done this for a while. It's better when it's natural. And you have to help me throughout the weekend. It is.
Okay,
this is as natural as it's gonna be, so you have to like.
Okay. Get used to it. We are at
I don't even know how to pronounce that. I'll just show you guys. So first up, we are at Yarrangobilly Caves thermal pools. So it's only a short 700-meter walk down the mountain, and we'll go check out what that looks like. So it's a little bit past midday now, and we've driven about 6 hours since this morning, and it was a pretty good start to the day. I was supposed to pick Alex up at 4:30, and then ended up waking up at 5:30. Oh, 5:30. So it was an hour and a half late, far out. Probably just spend an hour here. Hopefully the water's nice and warm. It's actually pretty cold at the moment. It's 10 degrees right now, so it's pretty crisp, but I think we could still get in the pool. I think it'd be pretty nice in there. So it's only a short walk to the pools, just down this track. And as you can see, it's just down there. How's the pools?
really hot and steamy.
Hot and steamy.
Yes.
Thermal pools, they say. Well, like, that's why we're shivering. Oh, it's not actually as warm as we thought. I thought it'd be like steaming and steam coming out, but it's warmer than outside, I guess. But it's okay once you get used to it. All right, you can go first.
Oh shit, me? Okay, how far
Do you want to go first or do you want me to go first?
Nick minute.
Alright guys, had a little break now in this peaceful spot, but now it's 3 o'clock and it's time to make our way to Jindabyne and hire our stuff before tomorrow, before the shop closes, so time to head off. Alright, and we have made it into our accommodation. Finally, this is our place. This is where we'll be staying for 2 nights. And look how many beds we've got. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ready for a party here, eh?
Sure.
Alright, and look what we got from the shops. We're all packed. How do you want to do this? Yeah. This is important. We need this. This thing was $12. Yeah, boy. And check out Alex's new backpack. Go put it on.
Are you serious?
Yeah. She is like pro backpacker right now. Look at that. Oh, look at you. Such a pro already. It's like the girl version of my good old Osprey bag. Nice. Ready for India?
Totally.
Alright, let's have a look around this place. Closet. Right. What's this? Bathroom. Alright, so this place is called the Station Hotel. So this place is more for, you know, big groups of people, as you could see. And I've stayed here before a long time ago when I used to go to the snows a lot, until I had a little incident which sort of scarred me for life. That's why I haven't been snowboarding since. Yeah, this is where we'll be staying for the next 2 days. Then tomorrow we'll be going up Kosciuszko doing the trek again. So if you haven't seen my previous vlog, I actually did it in April or something, so just before the winter. So a place like this time of year, which is kind of like shoulder season already, it's still pretty pricey. It was 220 bucks a night, but you know, if you did have 6 people to take up all these beds, then you know, it wouldn't be as expensive. Look at you go. Jeez. Oh, we got our things. Cheers.